How to fix DTLS connecting on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in discord.com and get logged into your Discord account. Then select any server. Under voice channels, click on the general. If it says your DTLS is connecting, then here is what you should do to fix it. First of all, make sure that you have a very stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. Now, second thing you want to make sure is that your application or your browser is cache-free. To do that, simply head over to your three-dot icon. Here, select on the settings. Here, click on privacy and security. Under here, click on to site settings. Under recent activity, select discord.com. Then here, click on delete data. As you do so, you will be signed out of this site. Any offline data will be deleted, and the data will also affect your ad personalization. If you still like to continue, then tap on delete. And that is the only way you can fix your DTLS problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.